I think that's one of the beautiful things about the Second Amendment Foundation. It's always been able to be pretty agnostic. They support all kinds of different organizations who have certain specialties, but they do a little bit of everything. And so right now, it just feels like the organization that's doing the best job at holistically protecting our rights as gun owners, as people who support the Second Amendment, is the Second Amendment Foundation. We at Sig Sauer were early adopters of this organization. We kind of saw the value. We saw what they were doing. We picked up on the fact that with our current government, the whole aspect of chasing things from a legislative standpoint was not going to be fruitful. So the whole idea of what Second Amendment Foundation does so well and has done so well for 50 years is the litigation side of that. And so we at Sig Sauer started talking Second Amendment Foundation up to other industry partners. And I think at this point, a number of industry companies have come on board to support the organization. And the industry does communicate a lot. It's an interesting industry. We compete, hard with each other by day, but it's kind of like, by night or whatever, we have these conversations to say, okay, we're competing, but at the same time, we have to protect our ability to manufacture guns, the Second Amendment. We have to work together to make sure that we're protecting those rights. And so that is going to be my message as a board member of the Second Amendment Foundation, as an early adopter of a high-level sponsor of the organization. We're going to do everything we can to try to promote this within the industry, to be the sort of forebearer of protection of our rights as manufacturers and as individuals.